Hello guys, I'm here with a new project called as CardioCare. So this is built with Python and HTML, CSS and with Bootstrap obviously and then with the SQL database and backend with Python and it is framework using Flask. So as usual we have registration page. You can register if you're a first time user and then you have a login page here. Since I have registered already, I'm just logging in directly. Okay, and this is the page when you will get when you log in. So the main thing, the main highlight or the speciality of this project is it is connected with the IoT. So using IoT, you can like we have built another IoT thing where it can, if we connected it to our finger, it can find out our saturation, our heart rate, and also our body temperature. Those data we can fetch here through API, and also this is an chatbot. So here you can just ask whatever the questions you want about your healthcare. So basically, this is built using um, V3 model, that is an SLM model. So see, you will get a suggestion like this. So as a cardio care assistant, I must stress this information or like this. You will be getting an some explanation like how chatbot replies, same thing like that. And also left side of this project has a medicine reminder. So whoever use they can just give an keep an medicine reminder for themselves. I'll just keep it for 7:45. Then I'll just add a reminder and you can see here the reminder working and also some basic health tip below here. And this is a front end part. So we'll see. And also if you guys want to any, if you guys have more ideas like this, or else if you have any alterations wanted to do, or else if you want to customize this, you can just reach us out and we'll wait until we get the reminder.
Time to take aspirin.
See, like this, you will get an reminder. So if you guys want to customize this project, you can comment take me or else if you have any idea like this, you can comment idea. So you can just log out like this and this is a very simple project. Thank you.